Hello. Have you ever wondered how you can make your own app or website without any coding at all? Well, I found a new tool that claims to do just that. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. And so, I am here from the future because the sound cut out on my voice, so I am going to commentate this video as we watch it together. And so I'm looking over the tool Replit, and it's a no-code tool where you can enter your prompt and it will return to you the proper code, and not only the code but the complete application. So right here, I'm already logged in to the application, and I am crafting a prompt for Replit to make for me. And so with, all apps, most tools, you'll need to create your own username to be able to start using it, and then you'll be presented with this screen here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a prompt to ask this how if it can actually make me a application, which is going to be a website that houses my AI agents, basically. And so pretty soon here, I'm going to go ahead and put that prompt into this box so that you guys can see what I wanted to build. And so I'll go ahead and read that real quick. It says, please make a website that will have a selection of AI agent personas that I will provide. It will be the Software Robot Network, or SRN for short, where I will have AI assistants, persona bots in different categories, such as for coding, beginning with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The categories will eventually expand to more things than just coding, such as legal, real estate, medical, and entertainment, and perhaps even a feature that can make custom AI agent personas. For now, you can provide placeholders for the features, make it flashy, beautiful, clean, and the goal is to persuade the user to use the bots. There will also be placeholders where the users can buy credits and a monthly recharge. So basically, it's going to be making a software as a service landing page. And so this is a use case for people who don't really know much about how to make a landing page or want to save a lot of time. And I'll already tell you guys that this tool actually makes it look pretty good. Alright, as you can see, it is formulating the plan on how it wants to conduct this, and it does some thinking in the background, like a lot of other reasoning models and reasoning tools. They'll go off and perform a task and do background thinking. And so now, as you can see, it's actually beginning to build the visual representation of what I have described. And so what I like about this is it presents you with the plan and also presents you with what it is actually creating live. And you can approve the plan, and I'm assuming you can also reject the plan. And I wonder what happens if you reject the plan, but obviously here I approve it, and once I approve it, you can see how it executes the plan. It actually started coding and building even before I approved the plan, which I thought was a little bit strange compared to certain other tools, because usually it lets you be able to like either it will ask you first to approve and then get started, or it will just start automatically. And in this case, it looks like it already started automatically. So if it started automatically, then it doesn't make much sense to ask me to approve the plan, in my opinion. But anyway, it still looks like it's doing a good job and building what I told it to build and what it is setting out to build, which is the landing page for me. And I want to say that these tools are really improving, and these are actually starting to look like viable sites, because before these tools were very bad at design, and now they're becoming better and better with actual design. And because the goal of this tool is to have it so that you don't have to code, and that anyone who crafts a prompt will be able to make their application or their website without, having a background in coding or having to do anything related to code. So it actually did a good job, in my opinion, and it actually is structured how I wanted it to be structured, and this only took a few moments, which I think is pretty amazing. It does have the code here for you to take a look at if you want, and I see like the different things are in .ts. .ts is TypeScript, so usually, a lot of modern web applications are either written in TypeScript or JavaScript, but I also will probably dig deeper to see if, what kind of framework it uses, if it used more than just vanilla JavaScript, or if it used React or any other kind of framework. I'm kind of curious of that, but nonetheless, no matter what platform it used or what kind of language, it actually solved the problem in which I wanted it to do, which was make me a landing page. And then I could take the code from this landing page and put it on my own server. So yeah, like it even got the different categories that I wanted, such as coding, legal, real estate, and medical, entertainment, custom, and the different placeholder links in which you can access the agents, the AI agents that I wanted to upload to my website. And I'm really liking this. It has the menu where it has the categories, pricing, features, and the contact at the top there. And it has the login and the get started. And that's, this is a very popular format that I see on other websites. And it has a pretty slick looking pricing template here that I can also modify if I want later. in order to match my specific pricing. And so this is looking really good, and I like, this kind of thing where it can help you save a lot of time on your projects. Well, this is pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video. And this is Jay Techie, and always stay curious, and if you enjoy AI tools, continue to watch me, and until next time, peace.